हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल्स। स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नंबर, मेरी मेल आईडी आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर दी गई है। आपको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होने पर नीचे दिए गए नंबर या मेल आईडी पर आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, ये वीडियो हमारी लाइव क्लास के सपोर्ट में दी गई है। स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो आप सीधे डिस्कस करें। सो स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरिटी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल्स। हियर इज द Thales 640 to 546 BC. Two triangles are similar if first, their corresponding angles are equal, and second, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional. Activity 2. Draw any angle XAY and on it one arms AX marks point, say 5 point PQ, DR and B, such that AP is equal to PQ, QD is equal to DR is equal to RB. Now through B, draw any line intersecting arms AY at C in figure 6.9. Also through the point D, draw a line parallel to the BC to intersect AC at E. Do you observe from your construction that AD upon DB is 3 upon 2? Measure AE and EC. What about AE upon EC? Observe that AE upon EC is also equal to 3 upon 2. Thus, you can see that in a triangle DE is parallel to BC and AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Is it a coincidence? No, it is due to the following theorem known as the basic proportionality theorem. It is called a short BPT. Now students, theorem 6.1, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct point and other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here is the triangle, the parallel line DE divided AB, AD and DB divided AC. Here is the AE and EC. We are given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to the side BC intersect other two sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. We need to prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Let us join BE and CD and then draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN is perpendicular to AB. Now the area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height 1 upon 2 AD into EN. Recall from class 9th that area of triangle ADE is denoted as area of ADE. Area ADE is equal to 1 upon 2 AD into EN. Area of BDE is equal to 1 by 2 BD into EN. Area ADE is equal to 1 by 2 AE into DM and area DEC is equal to 1 by 2 EC into DM. Area ADE upon area BDE is equal to 1 by 2 AD into EN, 1 upon 2 DB into EN. AD upon DB equation number first. Now similarly, area of ADE upon area of DEC is equal to 1 by 2 AE into DM upon 1 by 2 EC into DM. There is the AE upon EC equation number 2. Note the triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallels BC and DE. Area of BDE is equal to area of DEC equation number 3. Therefore, from first, second and third we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now students, theorem 6.2. If a line divide any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. This is the converse of Thales theorem. This theorem can be proved by the taking a line DE such that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC and assuming that DE is not parallel to BC. If D is not parallel to BC, so a line DE dash parallel to BC. So AD upon DB is equal to AE dash upon E dash C. Why? Therefore, AE upon EC is equal to AE dash upon E dash C. Why? Adding one both side and above, you can see that E and E dash must be coincide. Let us take some example and illustrate the use of the above theorem. Now, students, Let's start exercise 6.2. In figure 6.17, first D is parallel to BC and find DC and 1 and AD in second. So first let EC is equal to x centimeter in the given that D is parallel to BC by using BPT, and AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, get EC equal to 2 centimeter. Similarly, in second figure, AD equal to X in the given D is parallel to BC by using BPT, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Substituting all the value, get AD is equal to 2.4. Now students, question number 2, E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR respectively as of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. First, given. So we know that given P is 3.9, EQ 3 centimeter, PF 3.6 and FR 2.4 centimeter. PE upon EQ 3.9 upon 3 1.3 and PF upon FR 3.6 upon 2.4, that is equal to 1.5. Hence PE upon EQ not equal to PF upon FR. Therefore EF is not parallel to QR. So this is the first. And now second, PE is 4, QE is 4.5 centimeter, PF is equal to 8 centimeter, RF is equal to 9 centimeter. PE upon EQ 4 upon 4.5, 8 upon 9, PF upon FR 8 upon 9. Hence PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Therefore EF is parallel to QR. Next, third, PQ is equal to 1.28, PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, PE 0.18 and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. PE upon PQ is equal to 0.18 upon 1.28, that is a 9.69 upon 64. PF upon PR is equal to 0.36 upon 2.56, that is equal to 9 upon 64. Hence PE upon PQ is equal to PF upon PR. Then EF is parallel to the QR. Next, question number 3. In figure 6.18, is the LM parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD? Prove that. So AM upon AB, AN upon AD. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB. So by using basic property theorem, we obtain AM upon AB, AL upon AC. Equation number 1. Similarly, LN is parallel to DC. So AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. Equation number 2. From first and second, we obtain AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Question number 4. In figure 6.19, D is parallel to AC, DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to AC. BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC by basic property theorem. Here is the triangle. In triangle BAE, DF is parallel to AE. BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. Basic property theorem, equation number 2. From first and second, we obtain BE upon EC, BF upon FE. Question number 5. In figure 6.20, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. So that EF is parallel to QR. Triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. So basic property theorem, PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. Equation number first. In triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. So PF upon FR is equal to PD upon DO by BPT. Equation number 2. From first and second, we obtain PE upon EQ, and here is PF upon FR. That is EF is parallel to QR, converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Question number 6. In figure 6.21, A, B, C are the points on the OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR, so that BC is parallel to QR. In a triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ, OA upon AB is equal to OB upon BQ by BPT. Question number first. In a triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, OA upon AP, OC upon CR by BPT. Equation number 2. From first and second, we obtain OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR, that is BC is parallel to QR by the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to the other side bisects the third side. Recall that you have proved in the class 9th. Consider the given figure in which the PQ is the line segment drawn through the midpoint P and line AB such that PQ is parallel to BC. By using BPT, we obtained AQ upon QC equal to AP upon PB. AQ upon QC is equal to 1 upon 1. AQ is equal to QC because P is the midpoint of AB, that is AP equal to PB, or Q is also midpoint of AC. Question number 8. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. Recall that you have done it in class 9th. Consider the given figure in which the PQ is line segment joining the midpoint of P and Q of line AB and AC respectively. AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC. It can be observed that AP upon PB is equal to 1 upon 1. AQ upon QC is equal to 1 upon 1. That is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Hence, by using BPT, we obtain PQ is parallel to BC. 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at a point O so that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Draw a line EF through the point O such that EF is parallel to CD. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to CD. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC, equation number 1. In a triangle ABD, OE is parallel to AB. So, by using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain ED upon AE is equal to OD upon BO. That is AE upon ED equal to BO upon OD, equation number 2. From equation 1st and 2nd, we obtain AO upon OC equal to BO upon OD and AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. Question number 10. The diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO, so that ABCD is a trapezium. Draw a line OE is parallel to AB. Here, in triangle ABD, OE is parallel to AB. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain AE upon ED is equal to BO upon OD, equation number 1. However, it is given that AO upon OC equal to OB upon OD, equation number 2. From 1st and 2nd, we obtain AE upon ED equal to AO upon OC. EO is parallel to DC by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. AO is parallel to OE is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to CD. That is the ABCD is a trapezium. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो एंड स्टूडेंट्स अपने सुझाव और अपना जो है फीडबैक हमारे नंबर पे हमारी मेल आईडी पे आप दे सकते हैं। ये ग्राफिक्स केवल आपके इंटरेस्ट के लिए बनाई जा रही है। सो स्टूडेंट्स थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।